This is my current gaming setup. I've been gaming and editing on this laptop for a good 3 to 4 years now. And I think it's time for me to build my first real ever gaming PC. The problem with that is I don't really have the cheese for such activities. I already own a PC case for my PC, which I'll show you right now, looking schmeckshy as always. The problem is that here in South Africa, it's really expensive to buy these types of things. So that's why I'm here to ask for advice for the PC build and also for your help. Now, I'm not asking for money. All I'm asking for is for you guys to like, comment, share, do all that stuff, bro. Just to help me out, just to help me get my first ever PC build. And if you don't mind, follow, join the progress. We can go through this together, give me advice, jump in the comments. Like, what are we doing? Jump in the comments right now. Help me out. So yeah,